Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. By the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option.
Welcome back, guys. So today we're here with Kiss Love here once more. It's the same packaging as usual, so let's go ahead and get into it. By the way, this drawstring bag, you know, is always perfect for storage. So I got a pair of HIGHLITWIG caps. I got this branded headscarf. I also got a pair of lashes, a clip. I got a branded elastic band. I got this robe. Always love getting cute little robes like this. It's branded Kiss Love here as well. And this is today's wig. It is a wear and go pre-everything glueless air wig highlight body wave, 3D body wave wig. So it's a full-on 13x4. As you can see, that's the lace, and it already comes pre-styled basically, because they did those curls really nicely. It's a medium cap, and I love the color job. So this is how the inside looks. It's a full 13x4, and as I said, it is a glueless air wig. So you see those little portions in the inside of the cap. It's very breathable. It has removable combs in the back and two on the sides. It also has a removable elastic band. All of this really helps with security, by the way. You know, it's a glueless wig, so that's really great. And then I just move on to, you know, slipping the wig on. As I say, I really do love the color job. You guys know I really do. I enjoy wigs that are usually colored like this. So yeah, that's a vibe. And then basically I'm just measuring that up, seeing how it fits my hairline. I did take off a bit off the sides, and there's a little bit of cast in the front, so I did cut away the portion that didn't necessarily have any hair on it. And that's what I was doing here. I did move on to kind of cut, you know, I always use my powder to kind of like camouflage any cast that's left over. I did that, but I did that off camera. I do it so much for you guys, so I felt like, you know what, let's just jump over that step. And this is how we're looking, super melted. I use a little bit of my wax stick to just ensure that everything is laying really flat, and it came off really natural looking. Love that. The graduation is not too deep, but it's very realistic, so the pre-plot vibe still worked. Looks really good, very natural, and that is definitely a go. One thing I'd say I would love for them to improve the wig a little bit more, to let it shed a little less. I did find that it did shed a little bit more than I would like, than I'm used to, and that is, as you can see, is because it's processed. It is processed because it's a colored wig. But yeah, I was just pretty much, you know, showing you the wig. It moves really nicely. You know, it's on the coarser side because, as I said, it's processed, and I had to do the shake test as a glueless wig because, you know, say a lot of people are fearful that because it's glueless it will fall off their head easily. No, once you secure it well on your head, it won't. I did make the parting a little bit more visible as well, and that's how we're looking so far. I decided that, you know what, let me do a little style. I wanted to pull the hair back out of my face, and then I kind of left like two little pieces in the front and I curled them. It was so cute. You know, this hairstyle is trending. So yeah, that was really cute. Let me know what you guys think. Of course, be sure to check my description box. You know, that's where I'm going to put the direct link to the wig and the specific density, all the specifications. So please check down below. Look how cute that is. I loved it. And oh, it's 28 inches. Did I tell you? The wig is 28 inches. As I said, check down below for all the details. But yeah, as you can see, we're working with some lovely inches today. Isn't that gorgeous? Looks like Goldilocks. It's so beautiful, man. Yeah, I was feeling it. So now we're moving on to a classical bust down vibe. I just redefined the pieces in the front, so you know, you could have that nice luscious fall to it. And that was it. That was pretty much it. Shout out to Kiss Love Wig for today's bomb wig look. They did their thing.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute last kicked it. By the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
As I said, I would just wanted to shed less, but it is processed wig, so please bear that in mind, guys, when you get it. But look at that. It just styles so easily too. It comes style, and if you want to tweak it and do something else with it, it's quite convenient to do so. It's already nicely customized, so that's always a plus. But we're looking good. That's it. Go ahead and like this video, share this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Stay tuned for more videos, and yeah, super gorgeous, perfect for the summertime too. This color, definitely 100% approve for the summertime. But yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.